Let's look at the 11. 这一题呢，他说 an object moves in a uniform circular motion. Radius r is 0.1 meter, and time period t is 5 seconds. The linear velocity and angular velocity. Linear velocity v is 2 pi r divided t, so it is 2 pi multiply 0.1 divided 5. It is 0.04 pi. And the angular velocity omega, it is 2 pi divided t, so it is 2 pi divided 5, it is 0.4 pi. So the correct answer is D. Correct answer is D. Okay, let's look at the next one. 第12题，那么他说了一个 displacement-time graph。displacement-time graph。那么 in displacement-time graph, we must know the gradient. The gradient represents velocity. As it moves in a straight line, so it also represents speed. 所以的话呢，让我们来看一下选项。A. Within 0 to 4 seconds, the displacement of toy car's movement is 8 meters. 0 to 4 seconds, its displacement is 4. So the answer is wrong. B. Within 4 seconds, the speed of the toy car is 1 meter per second. The speed of the toy is gradient of this line. The gradient of this line. So it is 4 minus 0 divided 4 minus 0. So it is 1 meter per second. So this answer is correct. This answer is correct. C. Within 0 to 5 seconds, the average speed of the toy car is 0.8. Within 5 seconds, the displacement is 0, and the distance is 4 plus 4 is 8 meter. Is distance. So the average speed is total distance divided time 5 seconds. So it is 1.3. So the answer C is not correct. D. Within 4 to 5 seconds, the speed of the toy car is the gradient of this line represents speed of the toy car. So the gradient is 0 minus 4 divided 5 minus 4. So it is So the answer D is not correct. So the correct answer is B. 那么13题，当一个 elevate accelerates upwards with acceleration of 2 meters per second square. The pressure exerted on the floor by a person with a mass of 50 km inside the elevator is. Here we must know the pressure exerted on floor by person equals support force. 它等于支持力 support force on person by the floor. 那么 here we do free body force diagram on the person. It experiences weight and support force N, which is upward. As it accelerates upward with 2 meters per second square, so we can easily to know resultant force F is MA. It is 50 multiplied 2, it is 100 Newton. As resultant force F also equals N minus weight of the person. So we can easily to know 100 equals N minus weight of a person is 50 multiplied 10. So N equals 100 plus 50 multiplied 10. It is 600 newtons. So for this question, D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Okay, next 14题. As shown in the figure, object with mass 1 kg slide to right along horizontal ground. Sliding friction force is 3 newtons. The coefficient of kinetic friction between object and horizontal ground is. Here we need to do free body force diagram on the object. First weight, which is vertically downward, and support force, which is perpendicular to the ground, and also friction force, which is parallel to the motion. As friction force, 摩擦力等于 mu n. So to calculate the magnitude of coefficient of kinetic friction, we need to know the support force. And here, the support force must equal to weight of the object. So it is 1 multiplied 10. It is 10 newtons. So F 等于 mu n, as the friction force is 3 newtons. As the friction force is 3 newtons, support force is 10, so we can know coefficient of kinetic friction is 3 divided 10 is 0.3. So correct answer is B. Correct answer is B for this question. Okay, the next one. 对于15题，他说 a smooth horizontal surface. Smooth means low friction. Low friction. A constant force F applies horizontally to the stationary object with mass 1 kg. Magnitude of velocity change within 1 second is measured to be 10 meters per second. Therefore, magnitude of force. Here we can easily to know velocity change is 10 meters per second, as acceleration a is delta v divided delta t. So we can easily to know acceleration is 10 meters per second square. Due to Newton's second law of motion, the magnitude of F is ma. It is 1 multiply 10. It is 10 newtons. So the correct answer is C. Correct answer is C. Okay, let's look at the next one.第16题 it says light enters a medium from L. Incident angle is 60 degrees and refractive angle is 30 degrees. If refractive index of Ln is 1, calculate the refractive index of the medium. Here a light incident into a medium from L. A medium from L. The incident angle is I and the refractive angle is R. 那么 use Snell's law 斯内尔定律，那么 we can easily to know n refractive index of L sin I equals n medium sin R. So we can easily to know 1 multiply sin 60 degrees equals n medium multiply sin 30 degrees. So this is root 3 divided 2 and n medium 1, 2. So n medium is 根号3 root 3. So the answer is A. So the answer is A. « 好的，我们接着往下看。17题，他说一个小球 ，a small ball in a uniform circular motion with an angular velocity 100 pi rad per second. This is omega is 100 pi rad per second. The distance between the ball and the center of the circle is 1 centimeter. This is the radius. R is 1 centimeter. Is 0.01 meter. So the centripetal acceleration, here centripetal acceleration is r omega square. So it is 0.01 multiply 100 pi square. It is 0.01 multiply. So it is 100 pi square meter per second square. So the answer is B. Answer is B. Okay, the next one. 那么第18题 他说 a spring oscillators perform simple harmonic motion between A and B, with O being the equilibrium position. Distance between AB is 1 centimeter. So from this we can easily to know amplitude of simple harmonic motion is 1 centimeter divided to is 0.5 centimeter. And here the ball completes 5 oscillations in 60 seconds. From this we can easily to know the time period of simple harmonic motion is 60 divided 5 is 12 seconds. Okay, let's look at ABCD. Here A, if timing starts when the ball passes point O, the distance traveled within 3 seconds is 3 seconds is T is 3 is 1/4 time period. So the ball moves from O to B. The distance is 0.5. It's right. Okay, so the answer is A. To B, the ball travels 12 centimeters in 1 complete oscillations. 1 complete oscillations is this to B and to O to A and back to O. This is 1 complete oscillation. The distance is 4 multiply 0.5 is 2 centimeter. So B is not correct. C, time period of oscillator is 2 seconds. No, it's 12 seconds. D, frequency of the oscillator is 2 Hz. As frequency equals 1 divided T. So it is 1 divided 12 seconds. So 2 is not correct. 2 is not correct. So the correct answer is A. Okay, let's look at the 19th. It says, 他说 an object with mass of 50 kg moves horizontally towards the right at a speed of 10 meters. Calculate the magnitude of momentum and kinetic energy as momentum P equals mv. So here we can easily to know it is 50 multiply 10. It is 500 kilogram meter per second. As kinetic energy Ke equals 1 to mv square. It is 1 to 50 and 10 square. It is 2,500 joule. 2,500 joule. So the correct answer is A. Correct answer is A. Okay, let's look at the 20th question. It says if a water droplet with zero initial velocity falls from 5 meters high EVs, excluding air resistance, so it is a free fall. It is a free fall. The speed at which water droplet falls to the ground. Here we have equations 2gh equals velocity square. So v is root 2gh. It is root 2 multiply 10 multiply 5. It is 10 meter per second. So the answer is B. The answer is B.